Hello everybody, this is my task 1, my storybook. Okay, my name is David Felipe Durango. I am 21 years old. I'm very calm and respectful. I like to play some instruments. I don't like to practice any sport. I live in El Cerrito and I like to read a book named The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, my favorite celebration is New Year. This is a great celebration that I like very much because I travel and share with my family in Medellin. We know many places. I eat different foods and typical dishes with my family. We like to eat chicken and turkey made by my grandmother. Medellin is a bit cold, and that's why we wear covered and comfortable clothes. In this celebration, it's important to share with family and friends. We sing some songs during the celebration. People give gifts to each other. I like to do the housework, and I always get up and muddy my house. Then I pick up some disorders. I rarely wash the dishes in the bathroom because I don't like it. I frequently clean some rooms in the house and also organize things. I always throw away the trash. I am currently practicing and learning to play instruments. I'm listening to Christian music because I am sometimes watching television. I am currently reading some mystery books. My family and I are sharing some jokes together. I'm always starting at 7 a.m. Although I am currently teaching English at 7 p.m. The different types of weather are nice and we can enjoy them. For example, in hot weather we wear fresh clothes. We can wear shorts, shirts, shoes, and comfortable. Sometimes it is cold and we must wear coats, scarves, cold gloves. There are some seasons where we can wear comfortable clothes because it is neither cold nor hot. Okay? Thank you so much. See you later, my friends.